Good morning, student. This is your GK class. From your book, Enlighten Your Brain. Now we are going to study chapter 28 and your topic is body organs. Today we will study about the different organs of our body. Let us see which is the first organ, my dear. See, this is the liver, and liver is also having some different parts. See here, right lobe, coronary ligament, left lobe. So these are the different parts of the liver. It is the liver is the largest internal organ of our body. Inside our body, liver is the largest internal organ. Now we will see the next. This picture is of brain. It helps us to think, do anything, and whole. This organ is seat of thinking, memory and knowledge. This organ is having control over whole body parts because it thinks also, it is having knowledge also, it can remember also, and it thinks good, bad, everything. And this is also called the software part of our body. Now we will see the next organ. Which organ is this, my dear? This is our heart. And what is the function of our heart? Our heart pumps the blood. See, heart is the center of circulatory system. What is circulatory system, my dear? Circulatory system is blood, is all over our body. Who circulates the blood? Heart. Heart circulates the blood to whole part of our body, and then only our body part can work. If any part is not getting blood properly, that part is not able to work properly. And heart is the center of circulatory system. It pumps blood to all the part of the body. Now we will see the next. Which picture is this, my dear? This is the picture of lungs. Now what is lungs and what is the function of lungs? Here we will see. Lungs are a pair of spongy, air-filled organs located on either side of the chest. It helps us to breathe air. You think that nose helps us to breathe air. Nose is the only way by which air goes inside. But our lungs, that helps to breathe us. And it gives the fresh air to the whole body part. And where it is located? It is located on the either side of the chest, both sides of the chest. Now see, this is the picture of a kidney. Sometimes you will see that people are suffering with kidney failure. Kidney can be transplanted also. We can live with one kidney also, but we must take care of our kidney. We should not. Now see, kidney, what is the function of kidney? Kidneys filter out the waste material which passes out of the body as urine. Whatever we eat and whatever we drink, our body absorbs the needful things which they need, our body absorbs, and rest thing they remove as waste. Okay? Then whatever liquid thing is the waste, kidney filters out. And it passes out of the body as urine. Whatever you urinate, in that whatever is the waste material of our body, that goes out from our body. Now see, this is the picture of stomach. See. And this is the part of digestive system. Actually, as we eat, our digestion starts from our mouth only. But stomach is the main part of digestive system. Let us see what does it do. See here. As food enters the stomach, it secretes acid and enzyme that digest the food. Where the food is digested? It is digested in the stomach. But as I told, it starts digesting from our mouth only. In mouth only some enzymes comes out. It mixes up the food, that makes the food very soft, and it moves into the digestive system, and after the intestine it goes in the stomach. There are also some enzymes and acids digest the food, and whatever is needed for our body it takes. Now see this. I think this is, you all have studied in the science also. This is a skeletal system. Skeletal system. This is the bony framework of our body. Wherever there is joint, from there we can move our body, move, bend. Okay. Now see, this framework of bones protects our internal organs. This framework of bones protects our internal organs, because bone is hard. This is muscles. Now we will see what is the function of muscles. Muscles are attached to bones and help us to move. Without muscles, my dear, movement will be very difficult. Not only move, bend, run, stretch, swim, everything muscles helps the bone. That's why our body is so flexible. This is skin, and as we are wearing cloth to cover our body from the, it saves our body from heat also, sunshine, from cold, from insect bite. Like that only, skin is the whole covering of our body. This is skin, my dear. Skin covers our whole body and it saves us from all these things. Now what you have to do? You have to answer some questions. Here are some questions and you have to answer those questions. What is the work of brain? What is the answer? Brain helps to think. It helps to memorize also, remember also. What is a skeleton? Now what is skeleton, my dear? Skeleton, bones joins together to form a frame, and this bony framework is called skeleton. Bones joins together to form a structure, bony structure, framework of our body, and this is only called skeleton. How does muscles work? Now see. Muscles are attached to bones and it helps us to move, stretch, bend, run, walk. Whatever we do, muscles helps us to do. which is the largest internal organ of our body? In this only which, in the place of which you will write liver. Liver is the largest internal organ of our body. In the place of which you will write liver, and your answer will be completed. Now thank you dear for watching this video, and you will write the question answers in very good handwriting. In book you will complete this page number, and you will write first of all HW and date. HW and date, and in very neat and clean handwriting you will do your homework. Thank you dear.